guys, Thornton here. Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be playing Will You Press the Button? And I need to do something real quick. And yeah,
I'm here, guys. Hello.
Hi, Anderson.
Okay. Will you press the button is like this. It's just like with your rider.
Yes.
Okay. Here's how it works. Look, let's read it. You become incredibly fit, smart, witty, and attractive. But you are turned into a positive gender. Will you press the red button or no?
Henry's going next.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. 69% of the people pressed the button and 31 did not.
Duh.
Okay, let's go to the next one. How do we go to the next one? I forgot.
Refresh.
Rate the game, see the next one.
No. Okay. Good. Rate good. Just push good.
Good.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. Will you press the red button? You may kill Justin Bieber, but you have to kill your favorite musician as well.
You should kill Justin Bieber, man. It's Henry's choice, man. It's Henry's choice.
I don't know, guys. Oh my God, Justin Bieber is. I like his music. So.
You like Justin Bieber?
Some of them, like.
So, will you press the button? It's Henry's choice, guys.
Yes.
You won't kill Justin Bieber. You're gonna kill Justin Bieber.
Okay. Oh my God.
Oh my God, people like Justin Bieber. It's my turn, guys.
Okay.
It's my turn. I have the mouse now.
Oh my God.
Good. Alright, good.
Good.
Good. I
Please
pressed.
go. Please. Please.
Go.
Good. Okay, it's loading, people.
Guys, by the way, the website's called willyoupressthebutton.com. We'll leave a link to that
Okay.
in the description.
Will you press the button? You are a famous inventor and get all of the credit, but you cannot invent anything you want, only what others tell you to do. You can get rich by doing that.
Will I push the button?
Yeah,
I press it.
you can get rich by doing that. Let's see. 68% of people press the button and 32 did not. That's great.
Okay, Henry's turn.
We got load, please.
Bro, just go.
What's that, guys? Okay, guys. Oh my God, that's the garage. Okay, good. Okay. Popcorn. Okay. Your turn.
It's your turn. I just went. Remember?
Oh yeah. You can have every car ever built in the world, but reduced to max 100 horsepower. No. Yeah. Why? 53% of the people pressed yes, and 47 did not.
Well then.
That was a hard question.
Yeah.
Because not much people understand about that, but okay.
Yeah.
Okay, when you press the button, you will become the biggest bad in the world, but you will change gender.
Well,
No, if I was you, I wouldn't.
since I'm a dude, I do not want to turn the girl and be the biggest bad word in the world. But I will not.
Okay. 64 people said yes and 36 said no.
What?
That's so bad. My God. Okay. My turn, right?
Yeah.
You can sing any song you want, but you have to leave the stage fear.
But you have stage fear.
Oh, but I have stage fear. Sure. I already have a stage fear anyways. I don't like singing in front of people. I mean, sometimes I do.
Click the button, man. I'm clicking the button for him. Oh, now it's loading.
Okay, 65% said yes and 35 said no.
Okay, my turn.
Okay.
Good. Okay, right.
You become handsome, but you smell disgusting forever. Okay.
I press the button.
That's not a good idea.
You smell disgusting.
23 said yes, and 77 said no.
This is an awesome game. Link in the description.
Yeah. Okay. Now you press the button. You will be in the next great rock band, but it will break up after. Oh my God! It will break up. It will break up. Your band will break up after the first album. What's the point? A lot of people will be haters, but I don't care.
You click the button.
Told you, 64 said yes, 36 said no.
Good. My turn.
Okay. You can, oh my God, wait,
Bad
one sec.
Screenshot.
No, wait, one sec. You can, your dream girl as many as times you want. Oh my God. Okay, let's skip this. Wait, pause the video. Oh my God.
No,
Skip the video.
but she just looks like her, but it's for real your.
No.
I'm not. It's your mom. Okay, appreciate.
Okay.
Don't look.
Oh my God.
It's your mom.
Oh my God.
It's your mom.
Never be tired but not be able to rest. Your mind will want to run like an engine all the time.
Do you want to push the button? Oh, I'm just gonna push the button.
Let's see how many people said yes. Oh my God. 57 said yes. Okay. And 43.
Oh yeah, I took a screenshot of that thing.
No. Okay. Will you press the button? You can be part of the Cullen family. I never heard of it.
I think
But you have to become a vampire.
No, I don't really like them at all.
I bet a lot of people said yes.
Yes, probably.
Oh my God. You got lucky.
So we're gonna do one more.
Okay.
Are you gonna do one more?
Never heard the Cullen family. Leave in the comment what it is, guys.
I know what it is.
I don't. Okay. When you press the button, you can see the future, but as events come to the present, they fade and become difficult to see.
But you can't see what's happening in the future.
I don't know. It's a hard decision.
By the way.
You can break the law of the time, but you can see the future.
Hard decision, guys.
Man, that's a hard thing. No.
He will not, guys. Press. Yeah.
Hard decision.
Whoa. Okay, guys, that's gonna be it for this video.
I hope you enjoyed watching us play. Will you press the red button?
And if you want to see more, will you press the button? Go ahead and leave a like.
And
subscribe.
And go check the 60 and goodbye.
Bye.